What is going on, YouTube? It is Braden from AB Gaming here, and today we are going to be doing some NBA Live Mobile. I'm back uploading today. We have the bundle in store. Like, I'm broke on this game, so I'm going to probably sell everything I get. So it's 8 starter packs, which include 5 gold or better players in every single position, with a chance at bonus golds or elite program players such as Throwbacks or Legends. And then the topper is an elite NBA Finals player. Hoping, we can do good on these packs. First card is Brook Lopez. Bunch of bronze. Oh, Kevin Durant! First pack! First pack! What the heck? First pack! We needed this. We honestly need, elite players coming out the wazoo. An 87 Durant! 87! 81 speed, 82 dribbling, 81 3, 85 shooting. I was hoping I was just at least one elite player. First pack. Boom, these packs are flames. Alright, actually that's not bad right here. 83 Kamalaka, 81 Kevin Love. And the Giannis Antetokounmpo. I like that. That's not bad. I'm not mad about that pack. Derrick Rose, Jabari Parker, J.R. Smith. We have 2 more gold or better. And LaMarcus Aldridge. I'll take that. That's not bad. Fourth pack here. Bradley Beal. LaMarcus Aldridge again. Jordan Clarkson, Marcus Morris. And an Al. Fifth pack here. 75 and 80. 75 and 76. And an 83 Kyle Lowry. I'll take that again. I'll take 83s. Dirk, Michael Conley, Markieff Morris. Come on, where's our elite? 75 and a 77. So I think we got not bad there. Serge Ibaka, Jay Crowder. Oh, the Marcus Cousins. Let's go. Let's go. We got an elite Marcus Cousins. Look at those stats. 6'11". Decent defense. Really, you can't see the good stats as a center. Unless you go on NBA.gg. See their hidden stats. This is our final pack before we hit up the topper. Let's go. Let's go.